A day with me as Filipino wife na puro gala lang ang alam. Charis! Today we are heading to Memphis for an appointment, plus a little weekend getaway at the same time. Pero appointment talaga ang punta namin doon. Gala lang later. So, sinama namin si mother-in-law for the first time sa aming gala kasi simula nang namatay yung papa ni Habi, gusto namin din na isama yung kanyang mama para naman hindi mabagot sa bahay. And at the same time, para makilala ko yung family nila sa Memphis sa side ng kanyang mother. So, this trip to Memphis for an appointment turned into a perfect excuse for a weekend escape and some quality time with their family. So, it's a cloudy day with some rain showers, but no big deal because we've got a buffet dinner to look forward to later. Patay gutom. So this is the Memphis and Arkansas Bridge, and it was opened in 1949, and the bridge is currently the oldest bridge in the interstate and highway system in Tennessee and Arkansas. So it's currently planned to be replaced with a larger, wider bridge starting 2026. And this is the Memphis Pyramid, formerly known as the Great American Pyramid and the Pyramid Arena. Pwedeng umakyat yun sa deck for just $10. So this pyramid was reopened in 2015 as a Bass Pro Shops megastore. So which included shopping, hotel, restaurants, bowling alley, and an archery range. And also operates a museum and on a waterfall hunting. Ang dami talagang interesting sa loob kasi pwede kang mag-shopping, tapos animal friendly din. And meron din silang parang man-made fish pond. Ayan, mga sweet corner, and meron silang mga, hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng fish yan, pero medyo malalaki tong mga to. That elevator goes to heaven. Charot. Kung gusto mo ng overview sa taas, ayan yung elevator. It is 321 feet tall, about 32 stories. Ang laki, no? So, ayan yung kanilang alligator. Tatlo yan sila. Medyo maliliit lang. Parang mga babies tong mga to. The turkey is staring at me like he's about to say something weird. Come on, say it. This is it, pusit. Kainan na. Dahil napagod sa kakalakad, eto na. Ito na talaga.
Everything.
Eat whale talaga kami, hindi eat well. Eat whale. And honestly, we've earned this seafood. It's basically a reward for surviving the week. Kainan na. That's a wrap for today. Stay tuned for part 2. Bye!